old way of connecting with an actor would be to go to the cinema hall and see their film. And you felt a part of their life. The old way was to write fan letters, which you still get. But the new way is technology. Use your phone, use your smartphone. Get on Twitter, on Facebook and send, for example, me, I'm on Twitter, send me a tweet and you'll probably get a reply back. But it's only possible if you have an Idea 3G smartphone.
And action.
बहुत साल पहले जब जहाँ भी मैं जाता था कोई शूटिंग के लिए या कोई प्रमोशन के सिलसिले में, तो वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग मुझे लल्लन सिंह, ACP जय दीक्षित या ज़्यादातर गुरु भाई बोल के पुकारते थे। लेकिन जिस दिन से हमारे आइडिया के कमर्शियल्स रिलीज हुए हैं, उस दिन के बाद जहाँ भी जाऊँ कोई मुझे गुरु भाई नहीं बोला था। सब बोलते हैं सर जी व्हाट एन आइडिया सर जी। सो इट्स रियली कॉट ऑन एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
आई गो इन अ स्मॉल टाउन, वो मेरे से पूछते हैं आप क्या करते हैं, तो मैं बोलता हूँ एड फिल्म बनाता हूँ मैं। अच्छा कौन सी एड बनाई हमने? मैंने कहा वो आइडिया की। व्हाट एन आइडिया सर जी। So I think with that I get a lot of pride in terms of that, what an idea sir ji is, it's embedded in everyone's head.
I think idea has made a mark for itself. It is respected by the way it has built its brand, and it's been able to bring out idea in a very refreshing and in a very interesting way.
What we're trying to do this time around is actually get people change old beliefs, old patterns, behaviors, and use internet or mobile internet as it were to make a difference in their life.
Correct? So you want to use that old idea the way you said it? Yes, there go buddy. Correct, Subha.
The greatest part of being the brand ambassador of Idea Cellular is we always discard the old ideas and we come up with new ideas, and the Idea smartphone is a new idea, and so all the older phones are all old ideas and this is the new idea.
Our fundamental belief is he is playing a role of a character rather than as a celebrity. Abhishek is really helping us to be able to evolve the society from the current style to a new idea style.
In the corporate sector, I think you'd be a fool not to have a smartphone. I think, times have changed so much and things have become so competitive that you always have to be plugged in. You need to shoot off a mail whilst in transit. You need to update, say for example, your PowerPoint presentation that you're going to be making. So you always need to be plugged in and need a device that can do all these things for you on the go.
Mobile internet has multiple facets, multiple applications, and we just wanted to drive home the message, which is why rather than just having one film, we just thought we would try and showcase various applications and how they can make a difference in your life.
Ever since we launched 3G services, we realized that for adoption or increasing the adoption of 3G services, operators need to play a far more active role in propagating the 3G services, and one of the ways that we would like to do it is ensuring that there are enough handsets, which are basically smartphones, available in the market so that people can experience the 3G services.
Watching it from the outside was one thing, but now being part of it and being somebody who's contributed in this campaign, it's an immense sense of gratification.